Okay, we're just out here in the garden looking at some of the squash plants today. Squash bugs have been starting to attack the plants a little bit, and so we're going to try to flush some of them out of here and get ahead of them because they can destroy all this pretty easily. So first thing I'm going to do is, I've already sprayed it a little bit, I'm going to spray this down really good, soak it, and that'll flush them up and be easier to see. And then I'm going to try using my shop vac here to suck them up. Soak them really good. See if we can get them to their hiding places. After it's dried a little bit, then we'll come back and collect the eggs, which is the more important part, but we got to get the egg makers too. Okay, so we just open the shop vac, put a little water back down here. Not too much, just a little bit. And a little bit of Dawn soap. Just regular stuff. Doesn't need a lot, but mix that up in there. That ought to be enough. That's very sucky. Dawn. Find any more in there. Oh, there's another one. Got him. Don't want to do that. Be careful with your plants. Just keep on trying to flush them out. A lot of times when they're on the stems, just get water right on the stem, they'll just crawl right on top of the leaves. Makes them easy picking. We're going to just saturate this a little bit, see if there's any more movement. That's 4 down. 2 sets, 2 pairs, they make eggs, and they turn pretty close, pretty quick. They turn into 60 and then 120. And just keep multiplying, then it becomes a losing battle. You got to get it early and often. We got chickens over there, and they just don't like to eat them. They must taste bad, or I just have spoiled chickens. Alright, so I got my second box of squash, and it looks like we have some yellow crookneck in there, if you can see that. We've been pulling eggs off of this the last few days with tape, and we'll show that maybe a little later, but we've also tried diatomaceous earth. That's what that white stuff is on there. I think that impacts the babies, but it doesn't really do much for the adults, and so what we found is it's hard sometimes to find the adults and get them, but if we spray this really good with water, it tends to flush the adults out. They'll climb up on the leaves, and then we can suck them up with the shop vac into the Dawn soap treatment. And so I'm just gonna really water this good, see if we can get any adults to come to the surface here. Alright, we can kind of already see one that is making his way up to drier ground. That's why we go to war with these guys, so we can harvest these. Right there, that's why. I spy a squash bug. My little eye. Alright, let's see what we got here. as far as squash bugs go. It's just, we got a few wood chips that went in there too, but yeah, there's one. Those little guys, they fly, so they can find what they're looking for. There's another one. I think all in all I got about 7 of them. There's another dead one. This soap water works great. This takes care of them. I'll just go dump this in the garbage can. And good day. Good day. Those little squash sucking parasites. Okay, so in addition to getting all the adults, you got to find the eggs as well. And so they like to lay the eggs on the bottom of the leaves usually, but sometimes they get creative and put them in a variety of places. And see if I can find some and show you what that looks like. Right there. You see that? That right there is probably about 35 eggs or so. That's 35 new squash bugs. So I've got like just regular duct tape. It can really be any kind of tape. You just rip a piece off and we're going to just kind of flip it on itself so the sticky side's out. And we'll use this to stick against the eggs to pull them off the leaf. So, let's just bring this up here. I'm just going to push them against there. Look at that. Look at that. Pulls them right off. Sometimes when the eggs are in these little pockets here, it's hard to get in there. You just got to smash the leaf in. If you tear the leaf a little bit, it's still better than 30 squash bugs hatching and sucking the life out of your plants. Once you've pulled them off, I just stick them together and just crush them, and then I'll throw them in the garbage. They're not getting out of here. They'll stick to this stuff anyway.